Sayer Resam here. Glad you could join me for another deep dive into tomorrow's tech. Stick around as we explore features, performance, and hidden quirks you won't see in the spec sheet. Today we're taking a hands-on look at one of Samsung's newest budget 5G smartphones, the Galaxy A07 5G. At first glance, this phone looks surprisingly premium for its price. You get a modern design, smooth 120Hz display, MediaTek Dimensity performance, and a massive 6000 mAh battery. Honestly, on paper, this sounds more like a mid-range device than an entry-level one. So the big question is, does it actually deliver a good real-world experience? Let's find out. Starting with the design, Samsung continues its clean and youthful Galaxy, a series design language, and the A07 5G fits right in. The phone features flat edges with nicely rounded corners, making it comfortable to hold even during long use. Despite packing a huge battery, the device stays relatively slim at just 0.32 inches thick and weighs about 7 ounces. In hand, it feels solid and well balanced, not too heavy, not too bulky. One detail that really stands out is the new camera island on the back. Instead of separate floating lenses, Samsung groups the cameras into a raised island design, giving the phone a cleaner and more unified look. My unit comes in a purple holographic finish, and it looks fantastic. The color shifts depending on the light, creating a rainbow-like reflection that definitely grabs attention. On the right side, you'll find the power button and volume keys placed on a slightly raised frame, making them easier to reach. The left side houses the SIM tray. At the bottom, you still get a USB-C port, speaker, microphone, and thankfully a 3.5mm headphone jack. That's something many users will appreciate. Samsung also adds IP54 water and dust resistance, which means the phone can handle splashes and light rain without worry. Now let's talk about the display. The Galaxy A07 5G features a large 6.7-inch PLS LCD screen. The resolution is HD, so it's not the sharpest panel out there. But for everyday tasks like watching videos, browsing social media, or reading messages, it looks perfectly fine. The real highlight here is the 120Hz refresh rate. For a budget phone, that's impressive. Scrolling feels incredibly smooth, animations look fluid, and everything just feels faster. Combined with the big screen, this phone is great for streaming movies or gaming. Moving to performance, powering the device is the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor, paired with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. For daily use, the phone runs smoothly. Apps open quickly. Multitasking feels stable, and thanks to 5G connectivity, downloads and streaming are faster and more reliable than older 4G devices. It's not meant for heavy gaming, but casual games and everyday apps run without problems. On the software side, the phone ships with One UI 8 based on Android 16. The interface is clean, beginner-friendly, and packed with useful features. You also get AI tools like Gemini Live and Circle to search, making it easier to find information instantly. What's even more impressive is Samsung's promise of up to 6 OS updates and 6 years of security patches. That's almost unheard of in this price range, and gives the phone excellent long-term value. Now let's check out the cameras. On the back, you get a 50-megapixel main camera and a 2-megapixel depth sensor for portrait shots. Photos come out colorful, sharp enough for social media, and easy to share. It's simple, reliable, and perfect for everyday users. The 8-megapixel front camera handles selfies and video calls just fine. Finally, battery life, and this is where the Galaxy A07 5G really shines. It packs a huge 6000 mAh battery, which is larger than most phones on the market. With normal use, you can easily get a full day and a half, sometimes even 2 days on a single charge. For students, delivery drivers, or anyone constantly on the move, this is a game changer. And when you do need to charge, it supports 25-watt fast charging. So you won't be waiting too long. So overall, if you're looking for a budget 5G phone with a big smooth display, dependable performance, modern design, and incredible battery life, the Samsung Galaxy A07 5G is easily one of the best options right now. Simple, reliable, and built to last exactly what a budget phone should be.